Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to put a automatic close timer on your gate. So yeah, please stay tuned and watch my video till the end, and yeah, and then you'll know how to put an automatic timer on your gate motor. Okay, so if you go to your settings by pressing and holding the middle button for 2 seconds and press down again, you'll see auto close. If you press auto close, you'll see by default it will show off. You can then select it, switch it on, okay, and then you press down again. This is the time that you want your gate to close after you open it. I'm gonna put it to 25 seconds on my gate. Then you press the middle one for OK, and then you can press back and back. Okay, so let's test this. Okay, so once your gate is completely open, the timer will start. Exactly 25 seconds and the gate closed up again. So yeah, this is just a short video on showing you how to do the timers. Obviously if you do have your sensors that I don't have, in that 25 seconds, if there's a vehicle going through, the infrared sensors will pick it up and open the gate again. But yeah, thanks for watching everybody, and please like and subscribe my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.